Hello, everyone. Welcome to Vsher Natural Skincare, where pure, all-natural ingredients come together to nourish and transform every skin type. Our products don't just hydrate and moisturize, they soothe, cleanse, and restore your skin's natural glow with gentle, effective care you can trust. Experience the power of nature working in harmony with your skin and give yourself the radiant, healthy complexion you deserve. Ready to glow naturally? Visit VsherNaturalSkincare.com and join the Vsher family today. In today's video, I'm so super excited to share how to make your own hydrating micellar cleansing water. This simple yet effective cleanser is gentle on the skin and easy to create. By using the correct ingredients, you'll be able to produce professional quality micellar cleansing water in your own home. Now, without any further ado, let's jump into how to make this fantastic cleansing water. Our ingredients include distilled water, cucumber hydrosol, aloe vera liquid, surfactant, a humulent, a broad spectrum preservative, and an empty pump bottle.